Now, let's interact with decentralized applications. And we will look at two websites that allow us to explore the decentralized applications ecosystem. We will look at dApp Radar, but also stake off dApps. Let's first start by dApp Radar. In order to find dApp Radar, you go to dappradar.com, and this is a place where you find the Decentralized Finance Explorer. So how does it work? Now, if you look at this website here, it allows you to first look at the decentralized applications in different categories. You have NFTs here, you have DeFi decentralized applications, you have game, you have gambling, but also you have exchanges. Now, let's say I want to look at DeFi applications. So I click on DeFi, and then I have all the DeFis appearing, the top DeFi appearing here. And what I also see in this website, I can choose or I can investigate DeFi that is built on top of Ethereum, on top of Binance Smart Chain, but also on top of Polygon. So if I go down here, I see the list of all the decentralized applications down here. Then I also see the evolution of the total value locked here, but also the adjusted total value locked. Now, if I said I only want to see DeFi applications that are built on top of Ethereum, I just click on Ethereum here, and what you see here, I can just scroll down. Now I'm only seeing decentralized applications that is built on top of Ethereum. So I have Curve here, Aave, Wrapped BTC, Oasis app. So I have all these applications here, and you can spend your time just to investigate and also to understand how this ecosystem works here. Now, if I want anything that is built on top of Binance Smart Chain, I just click on here, and I can see the evolution of a total asset lock in these DeFi applications built on top of Binance Smart Chain. I see the top ones are PancakeSwap. I also see ApeSwap. I see Venus. So when I scroll down here, it will just give me more details here. So I can sort in terms of token price. I can also sort here in terms of market cap. Maybe I want to look the big in terms of the market cap. I can just do it here. I can also check in terms of total value lock, asset lock in those applications. So I can really, this is really a perfect place to find a lot of information you are looking for. Now, I can also say I'm looking at games. So if I want games here, so I click on games, and I see the top 5 here is listed here. I can also see the volume and the number of users in these decentralized gaming applications. So I see here I have Axie Affinity, I have Upland. So I have all these. This is like into gaming. So if you are interested in gaming, this is maybe a place for you to go and also explore. Now, if you are into gambling, you can go here, and these are applications built on blockchains, and that are into gaming. So if you someone who likes or looking to understand how gaming work on a blockchain, so this is just a place for you to go. So if you want to check just decentralized the exchange, so I can just go here and I can investigate the exchange here that is built on blockchains. So Uniswap, you see here Uniswap. I see IDX. I see Poloniex, DEX that is built on Tron. So I have all my details here. Kyber Network is also decentralized exchange that is built on Ethereum. And I have a Neutrino is also this is a decentralized exchange, but built on Wave. Wave is also a blockchain, but also I have here NewDex. This is a decentralized exchange built on top of EOS. So I can, it's just up to you just to go here, and you can check them in terms of ranking. So if I go to ranking here, you see you have many of these chains. These are blockchains where you can build decentralized applications. So you know Ethereum, EOS, Tron, Ontology, but also you see there are new blockchains here where applications are built, which we necessarily are not familiar with, but they exist, like something like IOTX and also Vulkan Forged. So these are different blockchains which are not familiar, most probably, but where you can build also applications. So I would want you to go and investigate and understand how this website they work. So the next thing, I'm also going to look at a different blockchain decentralized applications explorer. So that is called the State of Dapps. So if you go to the stateofdapps.com, then you can also interact. Remember, these are companies, but the main purpose here is to put together decentralized application to understand the ecosystem and to put it in a website so that it's user friendly to anyone, so that we don't spend hours and even days in order to find to find decentralized application. Here is like one in all, where you actually go to the website and everything is put by category, everything is put by blockchain, where you can explore. So let's look at the State of Dapps. So it's also a decentralized application explorer. So I can just go here, and down here you will see you have blockchains. You have Ethereum, you have Clay 10, and you have EOS, you have Hive, you have Obyte, you have Icon, you have Near. So all these are decentralized blockchains, and these blockchains, again, anyone can build applications here in an open way. So if I say I want to look at blockchain that is built on decentralized applications that are built on top of Ethereum, I just go here, click on Ethereum, and I start to see all these applications here built on top of Ethereum. And you can see here, some of them are into finance, so some of them are into security, some of them, these are up here, are into property, to gaming. So you have, even though you are on Ethereum, but you still have category here, which I will show you how to just explore. And you have very interesting information here. The number of users will last 24 hours. And the transactions will last 24 hours. And the volume will last 7 days. And you see also the activities of the user here put in a graph, where you can just investigate them. So if I want, let's say I want to go to OpenSea, I can just click here straight on OpenSea and just go straight to the website. And this OpenSea is just a marketplace for NFTs. So I can interact with them, but I'm not going to go in that today, because that will be, we will dedicate this now to how to interact exactly with these type of applications in week 4. But for now, I just want to show you how you can just go straight from the DApp, this website straight to there. So now, if I want data, I also click here. If I want Chainlink, I just click on here. It will take me, so I can just go straight here to the website without any challenge. So now let's go back to the state of dApps. So I'm here. I can, you see, you can just scroll down, and let's just come back just here. Now, if I just, there is some blockchain which I'm not familiar with, I can also try to understand what is this website and what do they build. So I see they build exchange here, they build things into finance, things into governance, things into marketplace. Or I can just click here and go there and go to the website. What do they do? So this is how, by yourself, you can go and explore and acquire knowledge in this space of decentralized applications. So now it's still loading here. Now, if we go back here, we can just look at all the decentralized. If you click here, you will look all the decentralized applications. But from here, it's easier for you. You can just say, I'm looking at Ethereum. So you look at Ethereum, and I'm looking in terms of category. I'm looking for games, and you see, it just it will filter everything. And I can just look at the status here. If the application, the decentralized application is live, it's working, or if it's in beta phase where people are still testing, or if it's a prototype, if it's still a concept, or if it's broken, or if the project is abandoned. So you can just click here. When I click here, I see a lot of these are up here. You see these are in terms of gaming, and because I chose gaming, so I can also say all categories here, things built on top of Ethereum, but these applications are abandoned. So that when you interact, you at least you have information like these website you interacting with, or anything, a token you want to buy from here, you know, no one is working on that project anymore. And remember, when applications are deployed on top of a blockchain, even though the team beyond the project, the decentralized applications, abandon the project will still run, because remember, when decentralized application is deployed, it will run 24 hours, 7 days a week, and no one can stop it, including the people who build the project. Even though the website is no longer in existence, beyond in the background, the decentralized application will still run. So it's just important for us to, these two websites, which are DAP Radar and also the state of DApps, are very important website because they allow us to navigate easily with confidence in the decentralized finance of the decentralized applications ecosystem. Now, the next thing we're going to look is to interact with two of these decentralized applications. Then we will interact with decentralized finance applications.